Hey everyone, today I'm gonna let you in on a little secret about one of the most underrated veggies out there, Brussels sprouts. These mini cabbages pack a powerful nutritional punch and I'm here to tell you all about it. First off, did you know that Brussels sprouts are loaded with vitamins? In fact, just one cup gives you over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C is a superstar nutrient that helps boost your immune system. So next time you feel a cold coming on, you might want to reach for these green beauties. But that's not all. Brussels sprouts are also rich in vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health and blood clotting. Just one serving can give you more than your daily requirement. Talk about getting a lot from a little. Let's not forget about fiber. One cup of Brussels sprouts has around 4 grams of dietary fiber, helping keep your digestive system running smoothly. Plus, fiber can make you feel fuller for longer, perfect for anyone looking to manage their weight. And here's a fun fact. Brussels sprouts contain compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds have been shown to help protect against certain types of cancer. So adding Brussels sprouts to your diet is not only tasty, but can also be a great step towards long-term health. What about antioxidants? Brussels sprouts are rich in antioxidants like camphorol, which can reduce inflammation and support heart health. Talk about a multi-talented veggie. So, there you have it. Brussels sprouts are more than just a side dish. They're a powerhouse of nutrition that can contribute to a healthier you. Give them a try in your next meal and enjoy all the benefits they have to offer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips and tasty recipes. See you next time.